Hello, we're back. This is section 8.4 higher level, page 90 and 91, writing one quantity as a percentage of another. In theory, you have one number, you write it over the other, and that's a fraction. However, the storylines can get complicated and we're not allowed to use a calculator, so I'm not going to use one either. I'm going to go straight to question 7. Grade C, but I'm going to do it anyway. In marathon, I've got 25 women and I've got 35 men. And they start in the race. Only 18 of the women and 21 of the men complete it. So 18 women. Again, these are not percentages, they're just actual raw figures. And 21 of the men complete it. Work out, part A, it says the percentage of women who complete the marathon. Right, what have I got here? That's not very hard. I've got 18 out of 25. As you can see, easily change it out of 100 by multiplying by 4. 4 18s, 40 plus 32, that's going to be 72. In other words, 72% of the ladies complete the marathon. Just check it again. 40 plus 32, 72. B. What percentage of men complete the marathon? Well, I've got 21 out of 35. That is really unpleasant, and I'm going to have to work that out. Let's have a look. If we simplify that down a little bit, 7s might go into that. Okay, let's put 7s in. Just playing it by ear. 7s go in there 3 times. 7s go into 35 all 5 times. And now look, I can double up and go 30 out of 50. And oh look, I can double up and go 60 out of 100. And look, I've arrived at 60% without panicking too much about the 21 and the 35. Please note, you can't go from 35 straight to 100 directly, so I played around with the figures. I simplified the fraction and then multiplied up by 10, and then I multiplied up by 2 top and bottom. I arrived at 60% quite easily. C. What percentage of all those taking part who do not complete it? Right, the percentage of those taking part who don't complete it. Now these are the non-completers, so if I put it in yellow next to here, so the girls who don't complete, blue would be better, won't it? The girls who don't complete, so I've got an extra 7 there who don't complete it, and of the chaps I've got an extra 9 plus 5. It's going to be 14 guys who don't finish the race. One more time. C, blue, 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 C. The percentage of all those taking part who do not complete the race. Well, the total is going to be 7 plus 14. I've got there 21 out of the total, which will be 20 plus 30, 50, 5 and 5, 60. So I've got 21 out of 60 do not complete the race. Right, ugly fraction. I can't go from 6 to 100, but I can again put 3's inside that and go 7 over 20. Is that alright? Just divide top and bottom by 3, and that's going to be really easy to get out of 100. Just multiply by 5 now. Ever so nice. Top and bottom multiply by 5. So therefore 7 5s is going to be 35 over 100, best known as 35% who don't complete. Fair enough? And that's that one. Now question 8 is a tricky question, but I believe I've done that in the foundation video section. It's in the grade B section here in this higher book, so sorry to the foundation crew. Go back and look at it, higher people, because I won't be doing it because I've done it. It's exactly the same question. What I will do is question 10. It's got one of these horrible little dangerous yellow triangles with a red asterisk in it, or is it a red exclamation mark? Right, here it is. It's not been graded, it's just a bit of a problem solving thing. VAT was reduced from 17.5% down to 15%, and that's VAT for 1 year. So that's VAT actually went down. As you know, we're now playing with 20% VAT. It's a nightmare. Sally says that this reduced the VAT charge on her shopping by 2.5%. So I'll put that in a bracket there, and that's what Sally is saying. Well, 17.5 down to 15% is in fact a reduction of 2.5%. But Sally says this reduced the VAT charged on her shopping by 2.5%. The VAT charged. Now let's look at it. Now Tom says this. So come on, Tom. Tom says that this is wrong. He thinks the VAT charged was reduced by over 14%. Okay, Tom says 14%. Double exclamation mark. Well, let's try it. Just try this way then. So I went from there to there. In other words, it's a reduction of 2.5% divided by the original from which it was reduced, and then we multiply that by 100 to get it as a percentage change. So let's just double up, shall we? So we're going to have basically 5 all over, what's that, double that up, that's going to be 20, it's going to be 35, isn't it? So 5 over 35 times 100, we'll get that into a percentage in a minute. Let's just simplify down further. That's a seventh. Now let's just work out what seventh is without a calculator. Great fun. So right, so 7s into 1 don't go, decimal point. 7s into 10 go once, 3 left over. 7s into 30 go 4 times. 4 8 to 28, 2 left over. 7s into 20 go twice. I'm going to stop there because that's approximately 14.2%, and I'm not going to work out any more. So it may well go to 14.3. Let's just do one more decimal place anyway. So 7s into 20 go twice, and that will give me 6 left over. Yes, it does, of course. 7s into 60, well, 7 8s are 56, so it's going to go 8 times actually, so that's close to 14.3, so we'll change it. But the point is, Tom was right, and the actual percentage decrease wasn't 2.5% on the VAT, not on the whole shopping, just on the VAT alone. The percentage decrease was not 2.5%. The percentage decrease was actually 14.3%.